Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, let's discuss one of the interview question asked in Amazon. So let us go through the question. Apparently, it came in an online assessment for Amazon. Amazon Prime Video is a subscription video on demand over the top streaming and rental service. The team at Prime Video is developing a method to divide movies into groups based on the number of awards they have won. A group can consist of any number of movies, but the difference in the number of awards won by any two movies in the group must not exceed K. The movies can be grouped together irrespective of their initial order. Determine the number of groups that can be formed such that each movie is in exactly only one group. Okay, let us take an example to understand the question even better. So, if at all the awards of the movies are 1, 5, 4, 6, 8, 9, 21, and maximum allowed difference in a group is 3, how many groups can we divide, right? So so I think 21 is not considered in this case, but if at all 21 is considered, we need to. So let me take the example properly and explain it. So let us say the given example is 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 2, and k equal to 3. Okay, k equal to 3, right? So what are different possible combinations of movies? Maybe if we say 1, 4, 5 can be divided into one group, uh, but I don't think this is a valid group because 5 minus 1 is 4, which is greater than 3. So 5 cannot be put in this group. Can we put 6? No. 9 also we cannot put. We can put 2 here. So 1, 4, 2 can be created into one group. Now let us go through other movies which are not part of any group. So we will put 5, then we'll put 6, then we'll put 9. So now once we put 9, 9 minus 5 is 4, which is greater than 3 is not a valid option. So we need to put 9 as a separate group. So the answer for this input is 3 groups, and those they are the above groups. Above are the 3 groups that can be divided. So I hope everyone got the question. Now we need to implement a function called minimum groups that has the following parameters, and yeah, it takes input in a vector of integer awards and a k. So if you guys want to try the question, yeah, you can pause the video and approach it. Uh, so so how can we even approach this problem in an interview? So if we take any movie award, let us say X. So and let us say we created a group out of it. We can group X plus K to X minus K in this group, right? So all the movies within X minus K and X plus K can be created into a group. Now, does this give you any hint? Yeah. What if we create a sorted array of awards, and maybe now you can think what can happen. So start with the first award, 1. Now if 1 is part of a group, so definitely 1 should be part of any one group, right? So create a group for 1, and then you can see that till 1 plus k, maybe this is not the 1 plus k, x minus k is not the right one because it will come out to be 2k. So you can say that something like 1 plus d1 and x minus d1, where d1 plus d1 plus d2 should be less than or equal to k, right? This is how we can divide the groups. So we already created a sorted array of awards, and then one should be part of any group, right? So create a group for it, and all the numbers which are within 1 plus k can be put into the same group. So now we can see that 1, 2, 4 can be created into the group. Now you cannot put 5 because 5 minus 1 is 4, which is greater than k equal to 3. So 5 cannot be created. So you go to the next group and add 5. Now when you created a group with 5, you can add till 5 plus k, which is 8. So you can add 6, and then you cannot add 9 here. So definitely you are obligated to create a new group for 9. Now once you created 9, you can add numbers till 9 plus k, which is 9 plus 3, 12. But already we have completed the traversing the array. So finally these are the groups. So I hope everyone got the approach, and feel free to pause the video and try to implement the program. So let me try to implement it in ideoni.com, where let me try to implement it. So get groups count. This is the input that was described in the experience. Now integer space group count. First I will start with number of group count is equal to 0, and then if at all integer space n equal to awards dot size, if n is double equal to 0, this is the base case, we need not have any groups. So integer space group group start equal to awards of 0. So I will start a group with the first award, and then I will start traversing the array. If at all awards of I minus group start. Group start is a variable which stores the starting of the group. Element which is at the start of the group is greater than or is greater than k. Now I need to create a new group for this guy and then update it as awards of I. That's it. So now I can just give group count as the return value. So yeah, this seems fine. So let me try it out by giving the same input. One, 4, 5, or maybe you can do. So yeah, we thought of sorting the array as well, right? So we need to sort the array at the start. So 1, 5, 9, 6, 4, 2, something like that, and k equal to 3. So it should be 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 9, 3 groups. So there are some compilation issues. So group of group count plus then yeah. So let me try with so in interviewer expects you to write some of the corner cases so that he will understand how you are thinking and whether you can come up with corner cases as well. So let me try with some of the corner cases where there is a single award, single movie, no movie, then 3 movies, then like integer underscore max, integer underscore max, something like that. Then we have you need to think of all the possible corner cases scenarios. So it should be 1 10. So this is the base test case which the interviewer provided. Then there are no movies. Then there is one movie. Then there is some integer max, so that if you are doing some um, data types handling properly, that's what the test case at line number 27 tests. Then every group consists of one movie, and we should also have one test case where all the movies are within the same group. Something like that. So now, how let us see the output for this. So 3 is the right answer for the first one, 0 because there are no movies, 1 is the right answer. Then integer max is also handled properly, then 2 is also handled properly, 1 is also handled properly. So this is what interview is expecting, like you are able to come up with proper test cases uh, and also come up with the algorithm. Now let us discuss the time complexity and space complexity. So can you guys tell what is the time complexity? So here let us go to various steps. So for sorting we are using order of n log n time complexity. Then we are only traversing the array once, so it will be order of n. So final time complexity would be order of n log n plus n, which is equal to order of n log n. This is the time complexity. What is the space complexity of the algorithm? So we are not using any extra memory except for the local variables. So the space complexity in this case is order of 1. So this is the expectations from the interviewer, and I hope you like the explanation. Thank you. Thank you guys.